Back on the news, we have Metaverse. Say they spend in the Metaverse, the AFIs, the Eves, bots, and hours of the Metaverse. So article is by Sarah Ahmed on Coinmarketcap Alexandria. So guys, you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel? Click on the subscribe button beneath this video so you get notified whenever we drop updates. Also, you want to click on the like button, share. You can also drop your comment for feedbacks. And try as much as possible to get back to you. Uh, this table of contents will be looking at what is the metaverse and also some other perks here, guys. The metaverse is not a new concept. You may already be familiar with the idea of new online world, like in Second Life back in 2003, way before crypto blew up the 10 last year, and now that massive platforms like Facebook, Microsoft has also begun to support the idea of building out more augmented realities. Give you the basic idea of what metaverse really is. It's easiest to think of it as fascinating space in a virtual world shared by common people. Mark Zuckerberg described his newest platform, Meta, formerly known as Facebook, along the lines of existing inside the internet as a whole, instead of just sitting outside and having a visual view only. Even in its early stages, a metaverse can be used for many purposes, but as soon as the technology is completely built and developed across use cases, many people are expected to spend every day on it. The metaverse is expected to be used for work, play, and socializing. Metaverse is also known by many names: a mirror world, AR cloud, magic verse, spatial internet, and many more. But no matter what you call it, it's important to understand how the basics of metaverse breakdown works. So looking at what the metaverse is in particular, it says beginning with examples might give you an idea of what metaverse looks like. So games such as Fortnite, Minecraft, and Animal Crossing have been in existence and believed by many players for years now. They have already set out their own stake in the virtual world. Around the world, they have a vast user base who have been part of the VR or the metaverse even before our current understanding of the metaverse came about. So did Facebook revolutionize metaverse? Facebook stepping into the new technology took it to another level and popularity as it began to turn its social media platform into a virtual reality landscape. So other big names taking interest and trying to be part of the metaverse conversation are Niantic, Magic Leap, Microsoft, to name a few. The metaverse is, however, is an immersive virtual platform shared by the real people who are part of the space in the form of digital avatars. Here we have COVID and metaverse. So COVID has already played an essential role in shifting the world to virtual living. Platforms like Google Meet and Zoom initially took on the responsibility, letting companies operate almost like they did before remote work, keeping the corporate economy alive. Beyond work, from birthday celebrations to Christmas, New Year, and even to weddings and graduations, everything took place with a virtual world through Zoom and video calls. So many people think Zoom meetings aren't quite metaverse yet. They are missing the element of gamification and ownership that blockchain-based and decentralized virtual spaces offer. However, online platforms like meetups like Gather.town, however, are better examples of how COVID helped spur the development of more metaverse-like ways to create real-world interactions. But looking at the future of the metaverse, says right now the metaverse is often being used to visualize the future of work, leading up to the point where real life physical workplaces will now be needed anymore. So can you imagine a time when only AR glasses would be what you need to start your workday? Privacy in the metaverse. Privacy is a tricky issue in the metaverse. In real life, you can lock your front door, but it will be possible to virtually lock a metaverse based front door as metaverse worlds continue to grow and develop both of the workforce for gaming and for socializing. Implementing fish privacy features will be key to keeping everyone comfortable and safe in the new virtual world. So next we have a major this so the current developments and metaverse trend is without a doubt the biggest step taken in the world leaders of technology. So these are some of the scenarios. So it will be up to us, future generations, to grapple with these issues as the metaverse continues to evolve. Because if it's one thing that we know for sure, it's not going anywhere anytime soon. So guys, peace out, it's your boy Key. Stay tuned for more. See you in our future uploads. More love.